friends, it's Tilly, and today we're making a cape for the Renaissance Fair in just 24 hours. There's not much time, so let's get started. I'm going to be using pattern 5794 by Simplicity, specifically style A. However, I'm going to make a few changes so that it's more straightforward and something I can finish quickly. First, I'll remove the hood and replace the top capelet with a faux fur fabric. I think this will give the cape a lot of depth. And I'm not going to line it because we already live in a warm climate and these fabrics are going to be hot enough. For the fabric, I'm going to be using a green crushed velvet and a brown faux fur fabric. To tie it all together, I'm going to add a green decorative ribbon. To begin, I'll cut out the green and brown fur fabric all in the same direction, since both fabrics have a nap. I won't need to overlock the faux fur fabric, but I will overlock the velvet. Next, I'll stitch together the main cape panels, then sandwich the lower capelet between the cape and the upper capelet and stitch it all together. Finally, I'll add the ties and hem the cape. And here's the reveal! A simple and fun cape that looks regal and perfect for the Renaissance Fair. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I like this pattern a lot and will put my affiliate link in the description below if you want to check it out and help support the channel. I think for lessons learned, if I use the faux fur fabric again in the future, I might make some changes to the seams to ensure that the nap goes all in the same direction rather than in a more circular cut. Also, I didn't stitch together the capelets at the front, so you may want to do that if you don't like seeing the raw edges. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and follow me on social media for more sewing adventures. If you want more helpful content on sewing, cosplay, Renaissance fairs, or Comic-Cons, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.